accident. Okay, oops. I accidentally stopped the camera. Okay, it is February 10th, 2010, and we are in the middle of a blizzard. Oh my, that's a strong wind. Okay, I am behind my house in the alleyway leading up to Interstate 495, and I'm with my husband Chris, who is standing behind me. Say hello. Anyway, I'm here to get some photos and video of what 495 looks like right now, and I had to stop for a moment because I am knee deep in snow. I don't know if anyone can see this, but here's me, and I am I have gone no further. I have to, because I want to get down to the end of the street there, or end of the alleyway there, because that's where I want to go, where you see the cars moving. Okay, let me see if I can try this one more time. Alright. Oh, goodness grief. No, it's not been plowed back here, because nothing can get back here to plow. So I'm walking in about roughly 30 inches of snow, possibly more. We had 25 inches of snow a few days ago, and right now we've got about another 8. So yeah, that's a little more than 30. I think, ooh, I'm getting snow on my camera. The kids are okay, we're okay. So far we've had no power outages. We did lose internet, but I mean, that's not that big of a deal. Everybody's okay. Just we need to have a big plow come down our street because we are so stuck in our house until someone comes and bails all of us out. The kids don't have school until Tuesday because of all the snow. Actually, they haven't had school all week. Actually, you know, I've never been down this far. What do we got going on here? Seems to be some sort of opening over here. There's the highway. Oh, well, look at that. That is the back part of the dump. Yes, we live next to a dump. Okay, let's see if I can get further down without killing myself here. Oh my God, knee-deep snow is not fun to walk through. Okay. We are in a state of emergency, as declared by Governor Jack Markell. I think it went into place at about 12:01 a.m. Anyway, it is so deserted on 495. You can barely see any cars. Occasionally you'll see a truck or like that SUV there. Ooh, brambles, hello. Now I'm really getting into it. Okay. Normally, 495, as you can see, there's the signage. It says Terminal Avenue, Port of Wilmington, 12th Street. Oh my. Not full of snow, so much fun. Edgemore Road, we've also got Wilmington Business 13. Anyway, what was I saying? Oh, normally you'll see probably, at this point, probably 500 cars going past in either direction as I've been videotaping this, because this is a very busy interstate. Oh look, there's someone now. But with the state of emergency in effect and the snow really coming down, it's not happening. Yeah, I thought I'd be able to get out to the highway, but no. This fence that I'm leaning on is preventing me from doing so. But, oh look, there's somebody in a Hummer. Be safe, mister. Okay. I have to say, though, snow on the trees is really pretty. Now, we have heard, hi Chris, hi again. We have heard, hi sweetie, plows, woo, don't fall down, going past our house, our neighborhood I should say. It seemed like once every half hour, but my goodness, look at all the footprints in the sand. I don't know how anybody can make them out. Goodness. So they're definitely trying to plow to keep the roads as clear as possible for emergency vehicles, I suspect. I can't think of anything else to say. I'm rambling on and on. Dude, I really walk like a duck. Oh my. Okay. Well, I'm going to conclude this because it's really hard to talk and walk in almost 3 feet of snow with this camera in my hand. And now I'm getting water in my boots. That's not cool. Alright, everybody. So, if you are in the area that is having snow, stay warm, stay safe, stay in your house. Don't be stupid like me and going outside and walking and all this crap. So, say bye, honey.
Bye, honey.
Have a great day, everybody. Bye.